Hello all, these are the important questions for digital image process for R18. Uh, what is the need of image processing? What is a different image processing, and mention the advantages of image processing and difference between the images and pixels, and explain the fundamental image processing, and explain the structure of human eye, and what is the working principle of digital camera, and explain the image sampling and quantization of image. Explain the threshold effect, and give the principle of one-dimensional DFT. What is a transform, and what is an image transform? Differentiate photographic and photographic dispersion, and explain the different transform of dip, and explain the advantages of detail. Explain the singular value decomposition and its property, and explain the separability of property in 2D transform. These are the second unit questions. You can cover both very short and long answer if you study this. Mainly focus on this major enhancement in a frequency domain. There are three domains, and difference between the low pass filters and high pass filters and band pass filter. If you focus on image enhancement in frequency domain, you can maximum you can cover all the second unit, because mainly this image processing is main image enhancement in the different types of techniques, and how the image can be filtered by using the domains, like special domains, and what is the median filter, and different two categories of image enhancements, and from the image restoration from the third unit. What is meant by image restoration, given the two properties of operators, and explain the degradation process, and concept of algebraic expression, and what are the two methods of algebraic approach, and different grayscale interpretation. What is geometric transformation? What is geometric translation and scaling? What are the restoration of uncertain restoration? What is the most frequent method used to overcome the difficult specialization of pixel? What is the different method of estimation and degradation function? What is pseudo inverse filter? What is meant by mean square error or linear filter? What is meant by blind image restoration? What is pseudo inverse filter, and what are the two approaches for the blind restoration? Direct method and indirect method. What is direct method? What is indirect method? And difference between the difference between the enhancement and restoration. And these are the very important questions you can expect. And from the part B, from the long answer questions, you can expect geometric and explain the remaining part. Different levels of interpretations, and different geometric expressions, and two approaches. What is meant by inverse filter? How can we convert into the inverse filter into the normal filtration? And these are the units from the third unit. And from the fourth unit, what is segmentation? Define the applications of segmentation, and what are the three discontinuity of a image, points, ports, and edges, and derive the derive of how the de- how the derivatives are obtained by the edge and diffraction of formula. Explain the two properties of edge pixels. What is an edge, and give the two properties of edge and derivatives. What is a gradient operator? Explain the specific involved in merging. What is the dynamic and threshold effect, and what is the image segmentation? And these also very important question you can expect for 8 months, for 5 months. And define thresholding. What are the various thresholding effect? And between the cells. Define the global processing by using home transform. What do you understand by the dilution of error and microflogical operations? It is also an important question. You can expect in that. And explain the edge detection in details, like edge model, basic detection model, image gradient properties, and image operator, and combining gradient with threshold. Mm, these are the different regions which you can expect from the fourth unit. And from the fifth unit, it is a very easy topic. You can very score a very good marks by image compression. What is image compression? What is defined data compression? What are the main types of data? And what is the different compression methods? And explain what is a run on length code, define encoder. What are the operators for the free version? What is a variable length coding? And Huffman coding system. What is GP? What is and from part B, what is data redundancy? Explain the data redundancy. What is image compression? Explain the compression for the reducing decoder. 15 it is a very easy unit. You can easily can score a good marks, and it is very easy to understand. Discuss about MPMG standard when compare with GPMG. Like GPMG means the image, how the image can be filtered by using this JPJ and MPJ, and explain the block diagram of. I think you can expect these questions for direct 10 marks. This is the 10 marks question. This is also the 10 marks question. What is the data redundancy? And explain the data redundancy. These are the questions from the unit 5. And I will I'll just drop this PDF in the description. You can go through it, or you can take screenshots, and you can watch these videos.